We are here for team workout.
No barbells involved today. We're gonna do a little 3-piece workout. First part is just a warm-up, and then have 2 different conditioning pieces. Really just kettlebells, dumbbells, and body weight stuff today, like nothing too crazy. But we'll start with a warm-up. It's gonna be a 1-lap run around the track.
Izvadiš grupno trčanje, to je tek početak treninga za trenere. Are you better than me?
Today
You probably are. Coach's workout, let's go, baby! I'm just posing, I'm not working out. Okay, and then when you finish all these 5 exercises in the 5 rounds in less than 25 minutes, as an award, you're gonna do plank as much as you can. Oh, just kill me, just please kill me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm done. Yes, yes, we did it. Our coach's team workout, Deluxe Fit, and we're gonna do this every Friday.
Every Friday. See you later.
Yes. Hey guys, are we gonna do this every Friday?
Let's go, baby!
Are we gonna do this every Friday?
Fridays.
Super Bowl, it's Super Bowling! It's a Super Bowling! We're the best coaches in the fucking world!
Thank you.